So we work with all of our clients. We really want to build a business case. We appreciate that all of the businesses are completely different, even though there are some similarities. We really want to understand, what is the current revenue, what is going to be your the potential ROI. We tend to see that we would expect to see a minimum of anywhere between a 2 to 5% margin increase. Every percentage increase, as it says, is realized based on a percentage of leads. What we would also want to do is look at the operational business case. So how can we improve the accuracy and the consistency across the department, and also with your pricing the strategies? How can we help you to optimize prices based on various factors such as a demand, competition, and customer behavior? How can we automate some of those daily, mundane, laborious tasks that not only saves time but also helps to reduce the element of human error? How can we bring an enhanced price communication with customers, obviously ensuring that you deliver transparency, but also assisting you to build that trust? And what we want to do, and what we'll always do, is we want to deliver and ensure that there is a single source of truth and a single source of information. There's lots of information, there's lots of tools, there's lots of different applications and systems that are being used across the business. By adopting an intelligent pricing tool, you're able to centralize all of your data. All that data is then obviously managed, tracked, analyzed to give you the true insights as far as the performance is concerned, where you may well be leaving money on the table. And obviously, of course, we want to ensure that you are fully aligned with the omnibus, the directive as well.